Paul here, Go Power Sports. I'm going to show you how to install our new Juggernaut Stage 1 tuner kit. It's going to have the 3 bolts, nut, and the bushings. We've been testing this now for a couple of months, from drag racing to circle track to just cruising around. This kit here is going to raise the stall up from its stock 2,500 to approximately 3,000. This is going to be the kit you're going to have. All right, guys, to do this, packing ribbon like this. Just a little bit of tension. Get you a little something that your bushing can fall through. Just take one of your rollers, put your bushing inside, line it up, put the bolt in. You just get your nuts real slow. And like I said, you can do this by hand. You don't have to use the impact. Make sure when you line up your drum, you gotta line it up or you're gonna tear it up. Do this part by hand. We're done. See you next time for Stage 2.